Former Premier Jay Weatherill says working with children has become a passion, and it's one of the reasons he's been appointed an Officer of the Order of Australia, along with his service as a politician. He's dedicating the honour to others who work with kids.
I see this really as encouragement to keep going, to keep campaigning, to put this on the national political agenda. But I also want to make sure that we just pause for a moment and reflect on all those people that haven't been recognised, haven't been rewarded for the incredible work they do every day with little children.
Winnie Peltz has been appointed a member of the Order of Australia for her significant contribution to the arts industry. A former artistic director of the Jam Factory and CEO of the state's arts department, she also won a Logie Award for her work on ABC program This Day Tonight in the 1970s. She says her passion for the arts began as a child.
I became aware at a very early age how important the arts are to building the character of a country. And I've been given a lot of opportunities to work with organisations that have been able to make that sort of contribution.
Former Equal Opportunity Commissioner Anne Burgess is now an AM for her mental health, gender equality and aged care advocacy work.
Stand alongside vulnerable people and help them put their voice forward. So they're the ones that are, if they've got a mental illness, they're the ones that are really intricately involved now in designing the services that they need.
Professor Lester Rigney has dedicated his life to researching how a quality education can be delivered to all children and is being honoured with an AM for his service to Indigenous education.
It's my belief that children are the future. The schools do the work of the nation in reconciling the nation, building people in relationships and making the country come together as one.
Since she was a teenager, Heather Thompson has ridden the waves with the Grange Surf Lifesaving Club. For her passion for coaching, assessing, officiating and mentoring, she's opened a path to being appointed a member of the Order of Australia.
It's difficult, but it's really rewarding when you actually see the spotlight's gone on in somebody's brain and they understand and they get it, and then you see them then imparting their knowledge onto other people. I find that probably the most rewarding.
An attitude deserving of reward. Brittany Evans, ABC News, Adelaide.